In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove an email account from Outlook. We'll walk through both Outlook on the web and the Outlook desktop app, covering how to add an account and how to remove one cleanly. Keep your sign-in details handy and make sure you're connected to the internet. Let's start in Outlook on the web. Open Outlook in your browser and sign in. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings. Scroll to the bottom of the panel and open the full settings menu. From there, go to the accounts area, then choose email accounts. To connect a new mailbox, select add account. Outlook will guide you through the on-screen prompts for your provider, approve any security checks, complete the sign-in, and you'll be set. Give Outlook a minute to sync. Your folders and messages will appear as the connection completes. If you need to remove a connected account on the web, head back to the same place, open settings, go to accounts, then email accounts. Select the account you want to change, choose manage, and then select remove. Confirm the removal when prompted. This disconnects that mailbox from Outlook on the web. Your messages remain with your email provider. You're just removing the connection here. Now, let's do the same in the Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook on your computer and click File in the top left. To add a new account, click Add Account. If you don't see that, go to Account Settings, choose Account Settings again, and then click New. Enter your email address, select Connect, and follow the prompts. Depending on your provider, you may be asked to authenticate or allow permissions. When everything completes, click Done. Outlook will begin syncing. Larger mailboxes can take a little time, so let it finish in the background. To remove an account in the desktop app, go to File, then Account Settings, and open Account Settings once more. In the Email tab, select the account you want to remove and click Remove. Confirm by selecting Yes. This removes the account from this Outlook profile and may delete locally cached copies of its mail on this device, but your original mail and calendar content remain with your provider. A few quick tips before we wrap up. After adding an account, you can adjust which account is the default for sending in account settings. If you use two-step verification, keep your authentication method nearby to approve sign-ins. And if syncing seems slow, let Outlook run for a bit. It usually catches up shortly. That's it. You now know how to add or remove an email account from Outlook on the web and in the desktop app.